And a happy Friday to one and all. It's been a great run, but no matter how sandy tracks and the exact impact here, make no mistake, next week looks bleak. It will be payback for the glorious weather we've had, and turnabout is fair play, as they say. We're showing you a live image of Sodas Point from our Pinpoint 10 WeatherBug Network to show you the placid water. I invite you, even implore you, to join us next week because we're going to be putting WeatherBug to work, tracking for you the winds and the wave action. Even though you've heard from Ray Lovato, lake levels are way down below normal. Those winds are going to be roaring in out of the north and northeast, and we're going to see some major league wave action on the lakes. Among the factors we will be tracking for you because of this, that, of course, would be Tropical Storm Sandy. Frankly, it's just kind of a borderline hurricane now, tropical storm right on that fringe point. But the intensity won't matter so much now. It'll be a minimal hurricane at most as it tracks up and off the eastern seaboard this weekend. That is the projected position by 2 p.m. Monday, well east of Richmond. But from there, the storm makes a hook inland and morphs into a nor'easter, which spreads the intensity of the intense hurricane over a much larger geographic area, and the center of circulation may track very close to us by the time we get to Wednesday, and that means a long duration event. Here again are the impacts. For next week, it'll be rain and gale winds, the risk of significant flooding, and potentially a power loss situation if everything were to come into play. In total, the height of the event will be Tuesday. I think you get up Tuesday morning and you rarely will see as heavy a rain or as strong a wind blowing as you'll see here on Tuesday. Short term, where we have those balmy breezes, but here's the change for the weekend. It's a cold front, has nothing to do with Sandy, but it does bring in cooler air and some moisture, as you can see in your future cast. It's a rather cloudy night tonight, just a spot or two of rain as we go on through time. And here's the deal with your Saturday. So for your planning purposes, picking those pumpkins and what have you, west side looks kind of wet, unfortunately, but the farther east you are of Rochester, the rain will be much spottier, and in fact, there'll be a fair amount of dry time. But the rain will pick up, we believe, as we head into Saturday night and Sunday. It's 64 and dropping in Bristol now. We're down to 58 officially, on our way to 48 tonight with a couple of scattered showers. That's it, but much cooler, and that's the story tomorrow. 55, a cloudy day, spotty rain, most substantial on the west side, a lot of dry time on the east side. Here's your 7-day weekend always in view. Sunday, cloudy, chilly, intermittent rain, 49, and as I said, the mantra is next week will be bleak. No getting around it. Rain every day, and the winds will be ramping up Monday and Monday night. Again, the height of the event is Tuesday with very strong winds and flooding rains that will only slowly taper Wednesday, Thursday, and on Friday. Maybe a few flakes at the very end by Thursday night or Friday.
All right.